The reason most people never finish an AI film isn't skill. It's that every generation costs money, and you don't know what you're getting until you've already paid. Renoise showed me the whole plan and the exact price before it charged me a single credit. That changed everything about how I made this. Here's the plan. 60 seconds, 14 shots. Then we show you how it was made, the sentence we typed, the price, the fixes. While it plays, watch her face. Something here isn't supposed to be possible. Spot it before we say it. 14 shots, 12 with her face. Same brows, same jaw, same wet hair, every time. If you've made AI video, you know the wall. Shot 4, the face goes, the film dies. We didn't prompt our way out. One message, like a text. But first, one thing. It took about 40 seconds. I opened Renoise, went into images, and generated a plain portrait of a woman. No drama, no lighting tricks, just a face. Flat light, gray background, neutral. And I saved it. That's the whole trick. One reference photo, so the model has something to hold on to instead of reinventing her every shot. And while I was in there, I ran the same face through 3 different models side by side, just to see. Same prompt, 3 results, 1 subscription. That told me more about this platform than any feature list could. But a face still isn't a film. So, the message. That's it. That's the entire prompt. A woman in a monsoon jungle carrying half a bronze mask, hunting for a sealed stone gate, and when she finds it, the other half is already set into the stone. No camera angles, no lens, no lighting, no shot list. We didn't need any of it. Renoise Agent has a director skill built in. It handles framing, camera language, lighting, pacing, even the audio, the way a director would. I wrote it badly on purpose because that's the whole point. You're not supposed to know how to prompt. And this is where it stopped behaving like every other AI tool I've used. Before it generated a single frame, it put the entire plan on one card, every shot in order, the model for each one, and exactly what it would cost. Nothing gets charged until you press go. Every other tool you pay to find out. Here we read the bill before we agreed to it. Now think what this shoot would have taken the old way. Casting, a jungle location, rain machines, a night shoot, 14 shots across days, a full crew, a reshoot every time something broke. Then cut back to this. 1 person, 1 sentence, typed. So we pressed go, and it still wasn't perfect. Watch this shot. The scale's wrong. The gate looks like a doorway, not something sealed for 1,000 years. So we told it, plain. The gate's too small. Make it enormous. Slow the shot down. Same woman, same mask, everything untouched. No editor, no rewrite. We complained, it handled it. But there was one more. Look at her hands. Torch in one hand, mask in the other. And a third hand that shouldn't be there, and the face was perfect, so we almost let it slide. She has a third hand, remove it, keep the rest. Gone. Same face, same torch, same mask. One hand deleted, nothing else moved. Which made us wonder, if one instruction fixes one film, what happens when you point it at a whole folder? This is the part almost nobody has covered. Renoise has an official CLI plugin, so it plugs straight into Claude Code, Codex, and OpenClaw. Your own AI agent driving Renoise for you, so I made a folder. Dropped in 10 product photos. Plain ones, phone photos, nothing special. And I told Claude Code, look at every photo in here, make a 6-second ad for each one, match the lighting to the product, and show me the cost for the whole batch before you start anything. Same rule as before, price first. Then I closed the laptop and went to sleep. 7 photos in, 7 finished ad videos out. I didn't open a design tool, I didn't write a prompt, and I wasn't in the room while it happened. So, 20 models. Seedance, Kling, Midjourney, GPT Image 2, 1 subscription, and you can switch model between shots without rebuilding the project. Is it flawless? No, the agent is still in beta. Hands and on-screen text still need re-rolls. I re-rolled 2 shots in that film. But here's the thing I keep coming back to. You see the price before it spends anything. So finding that out costs you nothing. Links first in the description. Plans start at $20, and our link takes 30% off that. 1 tip, and it's the whole video in a single line.
For 1,000 years, The path remained buried beneath monsoon and decay.
Use the agent, not the manual prompt box. That's where the difference lives. The exact message I sent is pinned in the comments. See you in the next one.